I guess welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you Dell G2724d best settings. So please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content.
Here you will see. These are the best settings for your Dell. These are the basic settings. Brightness 75 to 80. Adjust based on room lighting. Contrast should be 75. Response time super fast or extreme for gaming. Overlock. Enable for 165 Hz refresh rate. Input color format RGB. Presets mode custom color or game FPS or RPG for gaming. Custom color adjust RGB R100 G99 B96 red 100 green 99 and blue 96. Now let's look at the NVIDIA slash AMD control panel settings. Refresh rate should be 165 Hz and G-Sync slash FreeSync enable. Color depth 8-bit or 10-bit if supported. Scaling full screen for low resolutions. Now let's look at the window display settings. SDR enable if viewing SDR content and night light disable for color accuracy. So these are the settings for your Dell. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.